Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my 1917 Mustang fastback. I will be building this to a resto mode. As you can see, it needs a lot of metalwork. And bodywork. Almost everything has to all the usual rust repairs must be done. The floors, torque boxes, I think I can keep the firewall besides this. And the tunnel looks decent. Also some guarder work needs to be done. The rockers are in decent shape. I think I will keep it that way. The trunk. Trunk is quite okay. Just need some cleaning and paint. But the trunk lid not so good. Same in here. Somebody already tried to fix it. Not a good work. There's also a hole. Somebody tried to patch it. There's a small hole in here, in this rocker. Also a big dent. Somebody put a Mach 1 molding there, but this is not a Mach 1, just a base model 302. The roof is okay, just needs some Bondo and paint. I already bought a 1996 351 Windsor that I will be using. Now the goal is to put a twin turbo in that one, but we will see. So a lot of work. I believe this is an original Grapper green, but I have not ordered the Marty report yet. So I will be posting new videos on the process or the metalwork. So subscribe and I'll see you later.